Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be discussing the vulnerability scanner Nessus. This will be the first video in a series of tools for penetration testing. Nessus is a program designed for the automatic discovery of known vulnerabilities in the security of information systems. Nessus is one of many vulnerability scanners used during vulnerability assessments and penetration testing, including malicious attacks. The program is capable of detecting various types of vulnerabilities, such as the presence of vulnerable versions of services or domains, configuration errors, e.g., lack of authentication on an SMTP server, the presence of default, empty, or weak passwords, and more. To start using the program, surprisingly, you need to download it, and this can be done on the official website of the program. To do this, visit the website and provide your contact information in a special form. Here, you need to specify your name, surname, and email address where you will receive the activation key for the program. After receiving the email, download the installation file. As seen in the drop-down menu, the program supports various operating systems. Choose the one on which you will install the program. Download and run the installation file, then follow the standard installation procedure. During installation, you can choose where to install the program. After installation, you will be redirected to the web interface to continue configuration and registration. Wait for the initialization process to complete. This may take some time. To speed up the process, I'll skip ahead a bit. The next step is registration, which can be done offline if you don't have an internet connection for some reason. In my case, I'll continue with the standard configuration by clicking Continue. Next, choose the version of the program you want to register. Select Essential for the free version. If you have a different version, choose accordingly. Click Continue. You can skip the next step since we've already gone through it. Click Skip. In the following step, enter the registration key received in your email. Copy and paste it into the window. Click Continue, and proceed once again. Now, you need to create an account. Enter your login and password and click Accept. After this, the plugins will start downloading, which may take quite some time. I'll speed up this step a bit to avoid prolonging the video. After opening the web interface of the program, you'll need to wait a bit more for the program to configure all the plugins. The Nessus interface mainly consists of two main pages, the scanning page and the settings page. These pages allow you to manage scanning configurations and customize the scanner according to how you want it to operate in your system. Let's go through the available scanning plugins. 1. Host Discovery. Scans the network to identify active hosts and open ports. 2. Basic Network Scan. Scans network devices to detect basic vulnerabilities. 3. Advanced Dynamic Scan. Unlike the previous one, It has more flexible scanning configurations. 4. Malware scan. Scans the system for malware and viruses in Windows or Linux systems. 5. Mobile device scanning. Checks the security of mobile devices and applications. 6. Web application testing. Analyzes web applications to detect vulnerabilities. 7. Credential audit plugin. Requires host authentication and checks credential data. 8. Intel AMT bypass protection check plugin. Scans for vulnerability CVE 201756889. 9. Spectre and Meltdown plugin. Scans for 3 vulnerabilities, CVE, remotely or locally. 10. Petya ransomware scanner. Detects the Petya ransomware, a demanding malware. 11. RIP20 scanner. Identifies hosts vulnerable to RIP20 vulnerabilities discovered in 2020. 12. Zero Logon remote scan plugin. Detects Microsoft-related privilege escalation vulnerability CVE 20201472. 13. SolariGate scanner. Identifies vulnerabilities in SolarWinds and SolariGate. 14. Proxy Logon scanner. Conducts remote and local scans for Microsoft Exchange vulnerabilities. 15. Print Nightmare Check plugin. Detects CVE 2021345527 vulnerability in Windows Print Spooler. 16. Active Directory scan. Checks Active Directory for misconfigurations. 17. Log4 Shell local and remote scans. Detects local and remote vulnerabilities -2021 Cape Verde Escudos 44228 in Apache. 18. CISA alert scans. Conducts remote and local checks for vulnerabilities AA22011A and AA22047A. 19. Conti Leaks scans. Conducts local and remote scans for Conti Leaks vulnerabilities. 20. Ransomware ecosystem scans. Performs local and remote scans for vulnerabilities in various ransomware programs. 21. Tenable report scan. Identifies vulnerabilities mentioned in the Tenable report for 2022. Now, let's see how this program works in practice. Let's run the basic network scan. In the scan name window, enter the name of your scan. Next, you can describe what you are scanning for and why. Then, specify what exactly you will be scanning. For example, I will scan my local network. Click Save and in the next tab, start the scan. Next, wait for the program to scan our local system, and we can assess the network's security status. Information about all vulnerabilities found, proposed solutions, and additional information can be read by following the links provided. After completing the scan, you can generate a scanning report. With this, the introduction to the Nessus program is complete. This was IT Oracle, and all the best to you.